How to map a network drive on your Windows device. What's up everyone, in this tutorial we're going to look at how to easily map a network drive on your local computer. So if the host is trying to share anything, it's a really efficient way to share any kind of folders and files and connect it with your families as well. In order to do that, first you will have to access the host computer, and on there what you want to do is go ahead and open your command prompt. So just search for CMD and open your command prompt. Now here you're going to type in this code ipconfig. Once you enter this, you will get your host IP address. So this is your host IP, so remember this. You can copy it and send it if you want. So after this, you want to head over to the client's computer, and once you get there, what you want to do is open your run dialog box. And once you do that, before you do all of this, make sure that the host computer has enabled the sharing network drive, because if that is not turned on, then all of this will not work. Now on your client's computer, on the run dialog box, you are going to type in // and then the IP address of the host. So just type in the IP. And once you type in the IIT, what you want to do is just press enter. So by entering the ID, you can press enter and you will find all of the host's shared folders right here. So once you do this, what you're going to do is open this folder and copy its address bar. So on the top, just click right here and copy this address bar. And once you have done this, what you want to do is head over to your PC on the client's computer, and then from here click on connect network drive. So once you do this, just head over to your client's this PC and then click on connect network drive. So once you do this, you can map network drive and then paste the folder address right here. And once you do this, click on finish and you will be good to go. You will see your network drive right there at the bottom. If you found the video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe. I will see you guys on the next video. Thank you for watching.